Business meetings. The most important thing to remember when making appointments is that you are in formal situation. Therefore, do not talk too much. You can expand on what you have to offer when you get to the appointment. Remember the following points. What you need is your opening statement, something you know about them or a referral. You need to have also interesting grabbing sentence, something that the customer major benefits. Remember to request the appointment, ensuring you giving options of days and hours. So the prospect cannot simply say yes or no. Here are some useful expressions to be when making appointments. I'd like to make an appointment with. Could we meet to discuss? What day will be convenient for you? What time would be more suitable? How about I'll look forward to seeing you?